Welcome to Doba tutorial. In the previous video, we'll talk about tags and the basic management of the tags. In this one, we'll continue the topic and talk about how to set up tag monitoring. By turning on tag monitoring, you will be notified by a new message on the updated info page, as well as a new email message about the product's price and inventory changes. Monitoring these elements is very important. Consider this: if the price of a Doba products increases by a margin larger than your profit, but you don't know this change, thus don't increase the price of this product in your store, you will certainly lose money whenever your customer places an order on this product. You get the idea, right? So, naturally, you should always keep an eye on products' price and inventory. Tag monitoring is the tool for this job. And here's how. On the tag management page, toggle this switch to turn on or turn off monitoring of any tag. Let's turn on this. Now go to the updated info page. Click Notification Settings. Then click the Add a New Notification Rule button. Here, please enter the name of the new rule. Choose the tags you just turned on monitoring. Select the email you want the message sent to. You may simply select the email you used to register on Doba, or add a new one. Next, please choose the notification frequency, daily, or weekly. If you choose daily, please set the time you want the mail sent to you. If you choose weekly, you should choose on which day the mail will be sent, and set the time as well. Finally, set up the notification rules. There are 4 of them. First, when the inventory is less than or equal to, if the monitored product is a hot-selling one, you will probably want to set a higher value here, say 20. If it's not so popular, you may want to set a lower value, say 5. Second, when the price has changed. If the supplier changes the price of a product, you will probably change the price in your store too, so it's better to switch this on. Third, when the status has changed. If a product becomes unavailable, or vice versa, for whatever reason, you have to change that in your store as well. Especially, if one becomes unavailable. You have to take it off the shelf in your store. So, consider switching this on as well. Last one, when new variants puts on the shelves. Switch this on to see new colors, sizes, etc. of a current product when available. Then click the Confirm button to finish. Thus, a new rule was set up. You will see it here, together with all the other rules you've added. Here you may click this icon to edit the rule you added before, or click here to delete it if you don't need it anymore. Last but not least, let's see what a new notification looks like when it comes out at the exact time and date you set by yourself. You will find the same copy of a new notification in 2 places. First, check the updated info page for the new notification. On this page, you will see a list of all the changes. You will find the name and picture of the product, the tag it belongs to, what element was changed, the detail of the change, and the time of the change. Second, check for a new message in your email inbox. You will find a message titled Monitored Products Updates. It was sent from help@doba.com. In it, you will see the detail of the update, almost the same as that appears on the updated info page. Wherever you see the notification, please check the changes carefully and update the products in your store if necessary. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial video, please subscribe for more.